Learn English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the English 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Wednesday, January 15th. Show number 15. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. The first one is a message you can send to somebody electronically. Number 2 just means to move your body on your feet. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I will send a text to Jennifer. I will send a text to Jennifer. Text. A message that you can send or receive on your phone. Now let's make a flashcard for text. Please write text up here in the top left corner, T-E-X-T. Down here in this corner, N1-V2. This means noun, level 1. And the number down here, 175 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Text. What about you? Do you send a text to somebody every day? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob walks every day. Bob walks every day. He walks. He uses his feet and his legs to move his body. Now let's make a flashcard for walk and remember it forever. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner, to walk. Down here in this corner, the code, V1 N2. The one we are learning today is V1, verb, level 1. And the number down here in the bottom right corner, 72 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Walk. Game over. Today we learned I will send a text to you. And what does Jennifer do every day? She walks, for sure, for exercise. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is something you get at the post office. Number 2 is when 2 babies are born at the same time and they grow up together. Number 3 means to not do something. You will go over it. See you tomorrow, everybody. My name is Vinny from Canada. See you tomorrow.